This is my vision board for 2021. I really do love it. Hello everyone, welcome to or welcome back to my channel. My name is Taylor. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button. I do post videos every week, and as you can see by the title, today I'm going to be sharing with you all my 2021 vision board. I would not only like to say thank you to everyone who has subscribed and supported my channel, but thank you to my growing computer skills, lighting, and all of that, because I'm just gonna give you like a little sneak peek at what my 2020 vision board video looked like. You start seeing, and I can vouch for this, this has happened to me multiple times. I kind of touched on it in a past vlog where I guess you could say I've changed a lot. I feel like I look so much different from the beginning of this year. It kind of freaks me out. So if that doesn't show you that a vision board actually works, then let me just dive in and give you all the details about what I've put on my vision board this year. I also want to talk about what came true of my vision board that I had for 2020. I know 2020 isn't over, but basically it's over for me. There's only like a week left, and yeah, let's just hop on in. Of course, I want to talk about my last year's vision board and what happened. And basically, I bought all of these 4x4 photos from Walgreens. I cut a poster board out 12 by 20 and stuck these on with tape and bought a frame, and voila, here we are. I really quickly just want to show everyone what really happened, like what was 2020. And then of course I'm gonna dive into my 2021 goals, aspirations, things that I'll be manifesting in the 2021 year. If you don't know what a vision board is, it's basically a part of manifestation. Moral of the story is you choose a bunch of different photos that motivate you and some goals in your life, things that you want to work for, things that will happen in your life. I'm going to pick out a few photos that literally happened in my life. This first one right here is a girl reading, and if you watch my kind of recent videos, I started reading this year for the first time since like 7th grade, and I've read almost 20 books this year. Then we obviously had, congratulations Smarty Pants, I graduated college! Woo! Yes! Thank you! Although I didn't walk the stage to graduate college in May, I'm hoping it'll happen someday. Then we have some palm trees. I did take a trip to Florida in January, before the pandemic kind of arose, and I got to go see some palm trees. Then I have a few like faith-focused quotes, and it's been really great because definitely during quarantine I felt my relationship with God become a lot stronger, so these were super motivating. Right here is a picture of a Mac computer. I did get a new laptop and I made a website. Double whammy right here. And then we have my Simply Taylor B YouTube logo, and underneath it, it says 10,000 subscribers, and I feel like I hit it because I'm so close. And if you're watching this in 2020, subscribe and help me out. Maybe this will come true before the end of the year. And I have the Photoshop, Adobe programs. I did kind of get savvy in these, and I also used Procreate, which is very similar, and learned a lot on like the graphic design end. I have a picture of my boyfriend Patrick. We are still together. And weightlifting, you can kind of see there's a trend on this. That was one that I definitely was strong in at one point in this year. In the beginning of the year, I was very focused on my fitness and health, and then quarantine happened, and in the beginning I was all about the home workouts, and then after quarantining and I started to get back to work, I kind of fell out of that routine. But you're gonna see in 2021 that I'm gonna come out on top, okay? Can we just talk about the difference in color of my vision boards? Like, I'm growing up. I'm not using pink anymore. I found most of these pictures on Pinterest, and then I also use the app Canva to like make my own. Here we are. This is basically like a tan, green, beige theme. That's kind of what I was going for. And yeah, let's just dive in because this is a video that I will reflect on. First, we have a little picture of this little place in Texas. I basically just searched on Pinterest, Texas. I really want to go to Texas. With everything going on, I don't know if it's going to happen in 2021, but that is one of my really big goals this year, is to get myself there and see what it's all about. Next, I have a thing that says, work the word and the word will work. This is something that I recently heard my pastor say in church, and it stuck with me. I was like, that needs to be in my 2021 just outlook on everything, because I'm obviously recently graduated and looking for a career path. I am constantly like growing my own skill set even though it's not required. Next, I have a picture of a Tesla. There was a guy driving it, but I tried to crop him out as much as I could. I really want a Tesla. This is like my dream car at the moment. Well, it has been for like the past 2 years, is a black Tesla SUV. It'll happen. I know it'll happen, so I'm just gonna keep putting it on my vision board because like it'll be my car someday. Now is that glow though. This was a very simple picture I found and it just spoke to me because I was trying to look for like good skin photos because I really want to like manifest good skin in 2021. I just want to glow. I want to have a glow to me. I want to have good skin. I want to be tan. I want to focus on self-care and just take care of my skin, because as I'm getting older I see that my skin is changing a lot and I just want to constantly be glowing. Then we have this kind of random photo of a girl sitting in a massive bathtub outside reading a book. This kind of has to do with two things. I looked for someone reading and I found this photo and I was like, yes, I will continue my reading. I will read even more books than I did this year. And also, where is she at? I want to be wherever she's at, on a trip, a little getaway. That looks amazing and definitely something that I'm gonna manifest. The next little thing is a little crossword puzzle that has the word circle God is faithful. This also has to do with my faith, obviously. Just trusting the process and knowing that God already has a plan set out for me. I am manifesting these, but I'm also manifesting these knowing that whatever God gives me, that's what he wants to give me. Next photo is something that I looked up, and I just looked up like healthy lifestyle and this popped up. Basically, I want to start cooking more and I want to start eating more healthy foods. I feel like I've been taking the easy route with just like quick meals and always being unhealthy. Like eating a slice of American cheese is not gonna cut it, Taylor. I gotta start up in my healthy eating and cooking game. And of course we have our centerpiece, which says 2021. I made this on Canva. I literally googled a silk photo and then put 2021 in on my own. I really liked this font and that kind of set like the overall tone for the board. Then we have my, of course, it had to go on this board. It says Simply Taylor B at 25,000 subscribers. That will happen. Let's just do it. Let's do it, people. I am very focused on my YouTube channel. I'm more passionate about it than I ever have been, and I'm really excited. So, of course, that's gotta be part of my vision board. The next little photo says just start. This is business related, business focused on basically just starting my business. This could be a lot of things, just starting my fitness journey, but ultimately when I look at this, I think of business oriented. Then we have a little computer with a glass of wine looking out on a city view. Work from home vibes is kind of what I was looking at this for. Ultimately, that's the goal. Be looking out on a pretty view and working on my computer. I just really liked this. Next, we have a photo of my boyfriend Patrick. Yeah, self-explanatory. I want to keep him in my life. He's a good person. Then I have a picture of this random girl, and everyone that I showed is like, that literally looks like you from the back, and I'm like, haha, I wish. This is a girl just working out. I wanted to find someone working out and like see those muscles for motivation, because that's what motivates me. When I see other people looking good, I'm like, dang, I want to look good and I want to feel good. Then I have a photo of the beach with some wine, just a comfortable setting and kind of focused on trips, taking a really nice relaxing trip. I absolutely love the beach. I didn't go to the beach once this summer. I'm actually a total beach person, but with everything going on, I was like, it's not worth it. So yeah, I really miss the beach and I need to go like ASAP. And the last little square says kind people are my kind of people. I really am looking forward to meeting new people. I love the people that are in my life, but I'm excited for the future and meeting new friends. And if you're one of those people that's just like down in the dumps and you feel like you have no friends, just know that you're gonna meet more people, and no matter what age you are, you could find your best friend. Kind of just manifesting good vibes, good people in my life. I absolutely love this thing. I feel like it just fits my vibe right now, and the pink one is just so funny to me because that was literally this year when I made it. Let me know in the comments down below if you guys ever make a vision board or if you're going to. Also, don't forget to check out my TikTok. I'm on TikTok, people. I made my first TikTok and it is about this vision board. So if you want to see that, go head over to TikTok and follow me. It is the same thing as my YouTube channel at simplytaylorb. Thank you guys so much for watching and supporting my channel. I will talk to you guys next time. Bye.